Fil-jum tal-erba', it-trio ta' tenuri Kanadiżi The Tenors iltaqgħu mal-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat fil-Berġa ta' Kastilja qabel il-ġimgħa ikkantaw bħala mistiedna speċjali fil-kunċert tal-għeluq tal-Presidenza Maltija tal-Kunsill tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Fil-mikrofonu ta' One News, wieħed mill-kantanti tal-grupp, Victor Micallef, li huwa Malti Kanadiż, stqarr li drama mużikali Maltija ġensna għandha post speċjali f'qalbu, tant li kienet l-arti li waslitu biex jinteressa ruħu aktar f'pajjiżna.
That was unbelievable for me, and from that moment, I started becoming more interested in Maltese culture and art. I know my dad over the years brought Maltese artists to Toronto to perform, so I got to meet a lot of these artists.
Micallef irrimarka kif id-drama ġensna turi kemm f'din il-gżira ċkejkna f'nofs il-Mediterran hawn tant talent.
You know, I admired those singers and the story of Malta put into that musical, you know. You know, just hearing that music by Paula Bella, you know, he's an extraordinary talent from Malta. So were all the singers. It's amazing for a little island how much talent is here. It's something that I'm very proud of.
David Borch li qed jieħu ħsieb l-organizzazzjoni tal-kunċert li se jsir il-ġimgħa fil-għaxija fi-Smart City, innota kif kien propju ġensna li wassal biex beda l-kuntatt mal-grupp Kanadiż.
Kienet l-aħħar ġensna pproduċejna ta' 2014 fejn Victor kien għamel kuntatt magħna biex nibatulu DVD. Hemmhekk bdejna nibnu r-relazzjoni tagħna biex illum qegħdin hawnhekk.
Il-kantant Malti Kanadiż Victor Micallef żied jgħid li kien propju grazzi għal missieru li baqa' jsegwi l-kultura Maltija anke minn Toronto.
Growing up, he was very involved in the Maltese community in Toronto, helped start the Maltese radio and Maltese television there. And so he was always bringing Maltese culture into the house, listened to a lot of Marchi, you know, growing up, and extraordinary Maltese artists back when I was a little child.